Okay, today we will unbox and assemble the Greenworks snow blower. It's 80 watt, 22-inch wide snow blower. Initially, it looks pretty intimidating, but if you look at the picture here, all you have to do is assemble it in the same way. Well, this is your initial look. Once you undo everything, you will see this. Don't get intimidated. Like I said, once you bring all the pieces out, then you can just add them piece by piece. It comes with 2 batteries, but if you see, as I'm undoing everything starts making sense. But once I have everything assembled, you will see step by step. Okay, so far we have the battery charger, 2 batteries, these 2 sticks. One of them is a broom to clean the snow, and this one probably goes somewhere on the. Oh, this is my car charger. I got electric G-Wagon. But anyways, so as you can tell, I'm a big fan of electric appliances and cars. Okay, so as you undo the box, you will see this stick being connected to this cable, and this is a separate stick but of the same type and shape. So without knowing anything, I can tell that this handle will be connected with the main machinery using this stick. So this side of the handle will go here, and the other side of this stick will probably be attached to the machine somewhere. In the same way with this one will probably go to the other side and connect those 2 sides. Now this is where you can set up the height. This is probably the brake, and this is probably the on and off. And this is probably where the snow will be directed away from the driveway. All we have to do is connect these pieces together now. Okay, a lot of progress has been made. This one comes in one piece, all connected. This goes straight here. This is your lever to pull it up and down. This one is to increase and decrease your speed. This one is most likely the brake. But let me push it in so it doesn't fall. Okay, you will see these things. This thing on the box. These things, they are used for connecting. Remember, we discussed these rods with the body. So the inside will be this guy and the outside will be this guy. So this is how you have to put them together. And it unscrews and screws. So it has a long screw in between. So, but this is how it's supposed to look. Okay, these screws will connect this lever with the body so that you can control it as you are shoving the snow. These screws, say this screw will connect this guy. You see the rod that came with the device, the one rod that's attached to the device, to the machine, and the overall thing that we had seen earlier. This screw will connect these two. This screw, and like I said, this will connect the lever with the body. Of course, this will go right here, and your machine will be ready. So this guy, first you enter the screw from the bottom, this guy, and then you screw this one on top like this. The same thing you have to do here as well. Okay, on the left side of the machine, you will get, now notice that this hole on the, say if you are facing away, on your right is different then this hole. This guy will go on this hole, and I'll tell you why. It is to hang this. Once you have it plugged in, all you have to do is put this one here. I mean, good, bad or ugly, I will let you decide it. But it is what it is. The broom will go on the bottom because it sits better on this side. If you do it reverse, you can, but it's not going to sit well. I mean, do you need it? It's your call. But this is what it is for. Now this guy has to be put like this, green portion up, and you see this thing coming out? This is gonna lock. This one probably has a lever from inside, so this is gonna sit like this. This is how it's gonna sit like. And then of course you have to screw them together. And once you have it installed, you have to move this lever to go right or left. So you see this? This is it. This is your Greenworks 80-watt Pro 22-inch snow blower assembly. Of course, to turn it on, you have to press this button, and then to speed up, speed down, this guy, and then this is for brake. And then obviously you need to have a charging battery. Once you put that, the charging battery goes here, right here. So it's pretty simple. Also, you will get this guy that goes, you see this brush thing? It goes on top of it, so that if you have to scrape any ice, you can. And of course, you'll get screws, but it's just an extra accessory. I don't know if you really need it.